This is gonna blow your mind. Stop struggling with clunky editing tools. Vox Craft AI Studio 2024 is here to save the day. With Vox Craft AI Studio 2024, making amazing videos has never been easier. Whether you're a pro or just getting started, the intuitive interface makes it simple to dive right in. Discover the power of AI with our enhanced editing tools. Effortlessly trim, cut, and splice your footage with just a few clicks. Need inspiration? Check out our range of customizable templates that make your vision pop. Streamline your workflow with our new automation features. Spend less time on tedious tasks and more time creating content that shines. Ready to impress your audience? Vox Craft AI Studio 2024 gives you the tools to produce high-quality videos that stand out from the crowd. So what are you waiting for? Unleash your creativity and make your video projects soar. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tips and tricks on mastering digital content creation.